Let's face it, as traders, it's inevitable that you will suffer large trading losses. They simply come with the territory. In this video, we'll give you a simple 3-step process on how to get your confidence back and, more importantly, get back into profitable trading. Now, as long as you understand from the outset that losses can and will happen, you can begin to create a plan with how to deal with them. However, when big losses occur, it can be difficult to recover both financially and psychologically. Now, step 1, accept responsibility. As traders, we can be overly competitive. The market, however, does not care personally whether you win or lose on a given trade. The first step in recovering from a big loss is accept responsibility for that loss. It's important that you understand why the loss occurred so that you can look to see if it could have been avoided. Was it a result of poor risk management, lack of research, or an unforeseen market event? Once the cause of the loss has been identified, steps can be taken to prevent it from happening again. Understanding where the error came from allows you to correct the problem and then move forward. This review process should become a daily, weekly, monthly occurrence regardless of wins or losses. More to come on that in a second. Okay, step 2. Rebuild confidence after a big loss. Traders can often experience a lack of confidence in their trading abilities following a rather large hit. This can lead to further bad decisions such as holding on to trades longer, ignoring stops, getting out of trades too early, generally what we refer to as revenge trading. So to rebuild your confidence, go back to the basics. Maybe you've got to practice paper trading if need be. Going back to the simulator for a few reps can be very constructive for your trading at any point. Also, getting the feel for larger size or P&L swings in the simulation mode can be useful as you're trying to size up. Now, this process is also true following a large loss. Seeing a setup work in sim can not only build confidence, but understanding volatility and swings in the market is a simple must. Once you've identified the problem that caused the large loss, trading the same setup in sim provides a zero-risk solution for ironing out the particular issue. So step 3, reset your goals. Once a trader has accepted responsibility for the loss and regained their confidence in their trading ability, the final step is to revisit past trading goals and realistically reset them. Now, once again, we want to start small here. Make simple daily goals. A simple goal of being green at the end of the session is reasonable when developing, and if it's achieved over an extended period of time, it can boost your confidence exponentially. A goal such as only placing trades you have back-tested and avoiding spur-of-the-moment decisions and momentary discretionary trades can be very constructive in the road back from a large loss. In conclusion, suffering a big loss is inevitable when you're trading. As your risk increases, the potential for large losses is also going to increase. They can be difficult to recover from, but with the right approach, they can be managed. Remember, accept responsibility. Identify the problem, revenge trading, bad entry, holding too long, whatever it might be. Then reset your goals and rebuild your confidence. Be sure to get our free watch list that you see on our screen below and tune in for live trading every single day on TraderTV.Live.